Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to make t-shirt designs on Ideogram, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you a bunch of ways in doing so to make sure that you get the best results. If you're ready, let's jump straight in. So to begin creating your t-shirt designs on Ideogram, you want to go ahead and start creating a design. Now, there's two ways of doing this. The first way, you're going to go and say, t-shirt design of Spider-Man sleeping on a park bench. Okay, let's say this is what we're going for. The way I generated the idea is I went to Perplexity. You can use ChatGPT or any other chatbot that you'd like, and you're going to give in the command, give me 10 quotes for a t-shirt designs focused on, and then whatever it is that you'd like. So here I've got my 10 ideas, and the first one I'm going to use is, with great power comes great need to take a nap. All right, so of course you can modify it as you'd like. Let's go back in over here, and what we're going to essentially do here is, the first way is, it's a t-shirt design of Spider-Man sleeping on a park bench with the words, and you're going to go and add this in over here. Okay, so let's just copy this and paste it, and let's do that. So with great power comes a great need to nap. I'm going to just modify that. Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, and we're also going to go ahead, we're going to just say, let's make it auto, and the styling, we're going to make the aspect ratio 9:16. The model is great, and the color palette, I'm just going to make everything on auto so it can sort of do what it needs to do. Now, this is the first way. Let's say generate. The second way of doing this is actually taking out this t-shirt design out. Okay, and now you can just say Spider-Man sleeping on a park bench with the words, and you'll see the difference. When this is generated, you'll see where the words fit in and what the design actually looks like. Now, of course, you can go ahead and extract whichever images you like. You're getting 4 images per generation that you're making, and you can use whichever one you prefer. Okay, so you can see over here, I've gone in, and you can see how nicely everything's been put out. Actually, all 4 of these they're really fantastic, except for the fact that over here, Spider-Man has 3 legs. So what you can now do is click on the one that you'd like. Let's use this one. You're going to go to the right, you're going to click on the 3 dots, and you're going to go down, download, and you're going to download it in JPEG if you're not using a paid plan. If you are using a paid plan, you'll have the opportunity to download it as a PNG. Now, the second way we're going to do this is, I'm just going to take out this t-shirt design over here. Okay, so let's just take this completely and erase it. So now it just says Spider-Man sleeping on a park bench with the words, with great power comes a great need to nap. And let's generate this in the exact same style. Now, the way this is going to work is, it's not going to give you this sort of text like this. It's going to give you a completely different thing altogether. So you can see the style here is completely different. It's not actually written in the same way. It's actually written on the road or the paving over here, which is also fantastic. It looks good. So you can, again, go and download this and use it as your t-shirt design. The one thing that I do need to just note is that you need to make sure that the spelling is correct. You can see over here in the first one that we used, it says, with great power comes ohms, a great need to nap. So just make sure that the spelling is good. All the other ones look great, and you can then download it and use it as your t-shirt design and sell it wherever you need to sell it.